Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your income tax return as a salary employee using an easy method. First, gather all your essential documents, especially your W-2 form, which shows your wages and taxes withheld. Next, decide if the standard deduction is right for you, as it simplifies your return. Finally, select a filing method that fits your comfort level, whether it's online software or a tax professional. Your W-2 form is crucial, detailing your annual wages and the federal, state, and local taxes already paid. Understanding the standard deduction is key. For many, it's a straightforward way to lower taxable income without itemizing. Remember to keep good records of any other income, like interest or dividends, and any potential deductions or credits you might qualify for. Many salary employees find online tax software incredibly helpful for its step-by-step guidance and error checking. If your financial situation is more complex, perhaps with investments or self-employment income, a tax professional can offer valuable expertise. Regardless of your chosen method, always take the time to carefully review all your entries to ensure accuracy before you submit. Before hitting submit, perform a final, thorough review of your entire tax return. Check for any missed income, incorrect deductions, or mathematical errors. Ensure you submit your return by the official deadline to avoid penalties. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals and resources to help you with your finances.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.